AI just changed everything. What you need to know in 2026. If you are not paying attention to what just happened in AI, you are about to get left behind. In the last 30 days alone, we have seen 3 major announcements that are going to reshape how every single person works with technology. I am not talking about incremental updates. I am talking about fundamental shifts that will make some jobs obsolete and create entirely new career paths. Let me break down exactly what happened, why it matters, and what you should do about it right now. What just happened? Here are the 3 bombshell developments. First, OpenAI launched GPT-5 with true multimodal reasoning. This is not just a better language model. GPT-5 can simultaneously process text, images, audio, and video in a single conversation. You can show it a whiteboard sketch, describe what you want out loud, and it will generate a working application. The reasoning capabilities are a massive leap. It can plan complex multi-step projects, catch its own mistakes, and iterate without human intervention. This is the model that makes AI agents actually viable for real work. Second, Google DeepMind released Gemini Ultra 2 with a 1 million token context window. Let me put that in perspective. You can feed it the entire codebase of a medium-sized company. Every document, every file, every comment, and it will understand the full context. No more chopping up your project into pieces. No more losing context between sessions. This is the end of the context limitation problem that has held AI back from handling enterprise-scale work. Third, Anthropic shipped Claude 4 with autonomous coding agents. These are not just chat assistants that write code snippets. Claude 4 can independently navigate your codebase, write features, run tests, fix bugs it finds, and submit pull requests, all without human intervention for routine tasks. You give it a task description, and it goes off and does the work. This is the beginning of AI as a true coworker, not just a tool. Why this matters for you? Let me be very clear about what these 3 announcements mean together. We have crossed the threshold from AI being a helpful assistant to AI being capable of autonomous work. GPT-5 can reason across modalities. Gemini Ultra can process entire company knowledge bases. Claude 4 can execute tasks independently. When you combine these capabilities, you get a system that can understand your business, plan a project, write the code, test it, and deploy it. That is not science fiction anymore. That is what is available right now in 2026. The impact on jobs is going to be significant, but not in the way most people think. Junior-level coding, basic content writing, simple data entry, and routine customer support are going to be almost entirely automated within 12 months. But at the same time, demand for AI literate professionals who can direct, verify, and manage AI systems is going to explode. The jobs are not disappearing, they are transforming. The people who learn to work with these tools will be dramatically more productive than those who do not. Winners and losers. Let me talk about who wins and who loses from these changes. The winners are people who learn to use AI as a force multiplier. Developers who master prompt engineering and AI agent management will be 10 times more productive than those who code everything manually Content creators who use AI for research, drafting, and editing will produce 5 times more content at higher quality. Business owners who integrate AI into their workflows will cut costs and accelerate growth while competitors struggle to keep up. The losers are people who ignore this shift. Companies that ban AI tools will find themselves outcompeted by leaner, faster rivals. Professionals who refuse to learn AI skills will watch their value in the job market decline rapidly, and students who are not learning AI literacy alongside their core subjects will graduate into a very different job market than the one that exists today. What you should do right now. Here are 5 action items you should start today. First, pick one AI tool and go deep on it. Do not try to learn everything at once. Choose Chat, GPT, Claude, or Gemini and spend 1 hour a day mastering it. Second, start using AI for real work immediately. Do not just play with it. Use it for your actual job tasks, your actual projects, your actual problems. That is how you build real skill. Third, learn prompt engineering. This is the single most valuable skill in 2026. There are free courses from OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google that will teach you the fundamentals in a weekend. Fourth, experiment with AI agents. Try Claude's autonomous coding or Chat GPT as custom. Get comfortable with delegating tasks to AI systems. Fifth, join an AI community, whether it is a Discord server, a Reddit group, or a local meetup. Surrounding yourself with people who are learning the same things will accelerate your progress dramatically. The bottom line is this: the AI revolution is not coming, it is here. The 3 announcements I covered today are not hypothetical future capabilities. They are tools you can use right now. The question is not whether AI will change your industry. The question is whether you will be ahead of the curve or behind it. Check the description for links to all the tools I mentioned and the free prompt engineering courses. Hit subscribe for daily AI news and tutorials. This has been Patapo AI. We'll see you in the next one.